here is MIIRIYA app. You can see here an app that lets you shop Black-owned businesses all on one app and doubles as mutual aid app to help people struggling in the community. It lets vendors sign up and lets customers shop those businesses on their own custom pages. Vendors get to enjoy meeting new shoppers and getting discovered without effort and without having to manage two app websites at once. So here is the idea. And then you can just double click to install. All categories resolve issue quickly. You can see some featured services, featured, and then then you just see it like that. It's also some Black hosted events, all kinds of categories. I think it's, yeah, and then you just basically link to the external side, and then you just can add it to cart and then just check out. So kind of like that. So something's a bit glitchy in here. But yeah, you can also get some books, anything. Kind of, just redirects to these external sites, as you can see. And then there is also community, there is map, there is featured search, and that's the idea.